Hundreds gathered this Thursday morning to witness a cherished underwater Christmas celebration. On St. Stephen's Day in Trieste, the 48th annual Natalis Sub brought together faith, tradition, and the sea.
I am Don Francesco, a priest. This is an event in which we will celebrate the Christmas, the Mass of Christmas, for all the people that make sports or live in the situation of the sea of Trieste. And this is a traditional event.
Unfortunately, the storm bore winds prevented the traditional submerged homily that takes place every year underwater.
In acqua che viene letta l'omelia, quindi una parte della messa, dentro la campana, quindi Don Pesce legge e tutti i vari subacquei apneisti sono in acqua e vedono...
Vi dispiace non andare in acqua oggi?
Tantissimo,
Perché?
tantissimo, perché le ho fatte tutte 48. Tutte 48. Ho cominciato nel 1976 con mio padre, ero appena brevettato sommozzatore e quella è stata la prima occasione e non le ho mollate tutte.
We love this event and it's about 30 years that I went here.
I hope that next year it will be as the others, that the Don Pesce enters the water.
Enter they did, braving frigid waters and upholding a tradition to perform a blessing this Thursday morning in Trieste.